Welcome everybody to Captain America Crypto. We're gonna cover the chosen child, Canton Network, the banker's token. We're gonna get through this disclaimer, and we're gonna get back over here. You can pause and read that disclaimer, and we're gonna get over here on the charts and cover ICP, not ICP, but CC, Canton Network. Today we've been having a little bit of a pullback, down 6.60%. We've had some selling off on Canton Network. It came back down into this area of support right here. Came all the way down to the bottom at 0.1683 and now has proceeded to start moving back up. Token has done awesome, really good compared to the overall market pulling back in this economy. On the fundamental side of it has done really good. This token right here is going to come out on the top. The banks have spoken, they have chosen, and it is Canton Network. As you can see here, we've been trading within this zone here. I got the lower trend line and the upper trend line where she's been kind of trading up and down in between on the 4-hour chart. Looking for Canton Network. We've been having volumes pulled back, and we've had some selling going on Canton Network. Currently, she's ranked number 17 on the coin market cap. But want to get over here, we're going to, like right there, she's ranked number 7. Started the day out at 0.176 or 1755, pushed away up to 0.1877 and came back down. It's been kind of pulling back over the last 24 hours. But if we look on the monthly chart, we can see that she come all the way from out of the bottom down here around 10-11 cent and has made her way. She pushed all the way up to about 19-20 cent and it's come back down a little bit. That's perfectly fine for Canton Network. The last 24-hour volume has pulled way back, 48.95%, sitting at 31.87 million. Her market cap is sitting at 6.46 billion, and her total supply is 37.62 billion. Circulating supply, same as the total supply. Canton Network does not have really a total supply like XRP. It's basically like Bitcoin when it comes to total supply. So we get over here on Canton Network. We want to look, and this is on CoinGlass, as you can see. We've come down. Last 4 hours, she's up 0.53%. Last 24 hours, she's dropped back 8.22%. Last 7 days, she's still up 11.24%. And the rest, the 30 to 90, 180, year to date, year and all is still up in the green. We'll get over here and look at the futures chart on Canton Network. Like I say, volumes pulled down. It's negative 6.99%. Open interest is pulled back right now, long to short. We have more. We got 102.95 thousand shorts and 72.99 thousand longs. So we got right now, as we stand on the last 24 hours, we got more shorts than we do longs. But Let's look at on the spot volume over here. As you can see, we lit up red right here. We got some selling, a lot of selling going on right now. And as you can see, you got a lot of this is where I get mine, Canton Network token. I buy it off of Kraken. And right now, it's one of the biggest exchanges that has Canton Network. And you have a lot coming back on the exchange to probably be sold. So we do have some selling going on. So, but that's perfectly fine for us with the price of Canton. Let's look at the overall market. We're going to come back down here. As we can see, we had open interest pull back way back in the negative right here, and we run up on the price. But right now, as we went back up on the positive, on the green side of the funding rate, prices started to come down. So what we need now is another deep pullback on the negative funding rate. And like I say, open interest, it went up, so now it's starting to come down a little bit. It's been kind of stepping up. Maybe we'll get another move up here shortly. Volume, volume right here. Let's see, this is back on January the 28th. 27th, 28th. This ain't the current volume on Canton Network. But like I say, up here it's showing that Canton Network, the volume's down on it 50%. So volume's pulled back 56.86%, and this is in the last 24 hours. Looking for this token to maybe pull back to the 382 here, if this area of support don't hold. I do believe it could hold. We could push on up, but we have fell below this trend line I got here. We're needing to get back above it, but we could get up and consolidate across here for a good minute before trying to attempt to get back up further. If this area of support don't hold right here at the 0.1684, we could be coming down to the 5 right here at 0.15136. And from there, we'll do some updates on Canton Network. Right now, I've been buying Canton Network because I feel like even though it's at 17 cents where I've been buying it, there's still a lot of potential growth for Canton Network, it being associated with the largest bank in the United States, J.P. Morgan and Bank of America. This token is going to rally up several dollars, so I'm getting in right now. If it continues to pull back, I'll continue to buy on the way down, but do not see this token dropping any further than hoping that this level right here at 16 cent holds. That if it pulls back just to the 382 right here and hold this 16 cent level. It was like back here, it was resistance, and it went up and broke through that finally and come back and tested it as a support. So we could be seeing that this level holds as a level of support coming across here, consolidating for a while. But if we see another major pullback with Bitcoin, we could be coming down to the 15 cent range over here at 0.5 area, getting down in this next level of support, this imbalance. It's got it down here. So and if it does pull back down here to the 0.5 at 15 cent, I will continue to buy. And like I say, great project to invest in. This is one of the best projects besides, ZBEC and some other tokens that I, far as potential risk to reward, on investing in these tokens, this is one of the best, I do believe and feel like, is the best investment, of all to invest in, Canton Network. Nobody's covering this token right now because they just believe it's XRP, but when the banks speak, it's a big deal. What banks are going to use? They're going to use their own create their own token of their choice, and it's going to be Canton Network. They done spoke. It's Canton Network, and until something comes along and changes that, it's Canton Network. So we're bringing you this token because we know it's going to do real good, real awesome in the next alt season, into the next bull run, and want to come and cover it with you. But be sure to get in on Canton Network because this is one of the greatest projects out there right now that is under, is not being brought to the community of investors. So we know what this token is valued at, what it's worth. It's going to be worth a lot more than 17 cents. Remember that. So get on board, subscribe to the channel. We're here just to bring you some awesome cryptos. It may not seem like, I know many of you, maybe, I don't know, have not done well on this cycle of the bull run, this alt season that we had back in during the election year. But we're here to bring you the honest truth. We're not here to pump a lot of hype that we're in a 5 or 6 year cycle. Bitcoin's, the 4-year cycle is over. We're not here. This is still in full effect. But wanting to bring it to your attention that a lot of these cryptos that's being covered across the internet and on X, and a lot of them on the YouTube, a lot of these cryptos, a lot of alts is not going to make it in this new financial realm, new currency. Like, Canton Network here, the banks have spoken for it. The markets, the stock market's behind this token. And, the list goes on and on. Do your own research on these tokens. But this right here is going to be the token. What they be saying about XRP, it ain't. It's this one right here. And I'm not here to tell you that this token is going to go to 1,000, 10,000, but it's going to do really good. Really good. When everything is said and done, they start moving digital currency, moving money across the internet with this digital currency. Canton Network is going to skyrocket. So, because this is what the banks is going to be using. This is what the banks is going to be using. Really, XRP is not really being used by Ripple. There's a long story behind that ordeal. They have took it and used XRP to do really great for Ripple, but when it's all said and done, it's not going to be XRP, and it's going to hurt a lot of people. It's going to hurt a lot of investors. Just wanting to come to you with the realization of this crypto market. Always pay attention to where the banks are going, especially these big major banks. Looking for BlackRock to come in soon and launch an ETF on this Canton Network. Remember what I said, it'll be Canton Network for BlackRock before BlackRock gets an XRP ETF. Remember what I told you. And once this token gets listed on major exchanges like Coinbase, it's going to be awesome. So we're just bringing you the truth on the matter. Don't forget to like the channel, subscribe to the content, and remember, anywhere we getting right now, we're investing in Canton Network, and if it pulls back, we're just gonna continue to invest more. So, want to say God bless you. Until we see you again, we out of here.